Well, students, today we will learn how Indian numeral system is related to international numeral system. Well, we know that we are using in India the Indian numeral system, and elsewhere in the world international numeral system is used. So let us start with Indian numeral system. Now let us take this number. We know that this is 10. If I multiply this 10 with 10, I get 100. Multiplying 100 with 10, we get 1000. So this is 1000. Then multiplying this 1000, I get 10,000. And there are 4 zeros. Then if I multiply this 10,000 with 10, I get 5 zeros, and this number is called lakhs. If I multiply lakh with 10, I would get 10 lakh, having 6 zeros. Multiplying 10 lakh with 10, I get 7 zeros, and this number we call it crore. So we are using the numbers in the Indian numeral system. Now if I have to write the numbers in the international numeral system, ten is called 10, right? This 100 is again here 100. 1000, it is also called 1000 in the international numeral system. This 10,000, this is again called 10,000 in the international numeral system. And if I multiply this 10,000 with 10, I get lakh in the Indian numeral system. But this number in the international system is called 100,000s. So here the difference is that lakhs which we are using in the Indian numeral system, that is called 100,000. Why we call 100,000? If I multiply this 1000 with 100, I get this number. If I multiply 100,000 with 10, then I get 10 lakhs in the Indian numeral system. But in the international numeral system, this number is called millions. So my 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. If I multiply this 1 million with 10, I get 1 crore in Indian numeral system. But in the international numeral system, this is called 10 million. So 1 crore is equal to 10 million, right? Again, if I multiply this number with 10, in the Indian numeral system, I will call it 10 crore. And I would have 8 zeros. And in the international numeral system, we call it 100 million, right? And this is also can be called 10 times 10 million, because I have got 100 million by multiplying 10 million with 10. So this can also be called 10 times 10 million. If I multiply this 10 crore with 10, I would get 100 crore. And in the international numeral system, we will have 9 zeros here. This is called 1 billion. So 1 billion is 100 crore. So this is how the Indian numeral system and international numeral system are related to each other. The main difference between these two is that when we are writing the numbers in the numeral system, which is Indian, we first place comma here after the 3 digit and thereafter every 2 digits. For example, in this case, I have written 1 crore, and if I have to write this 1 crore, that is 10 million, I would write it as my first comma here and then this comma. So the difference is in putting the comma in the Indian numeral system and the international numeral system.